You look like a midnight bandit.
I look like a badass. This is Tweedledee and Tweedledum reporting for duty.
Hi. Hello, Professor Egghead.
I'm gonna get rabies, man. Yesterday, I've done a bit of a boo-boo. Stu wasn't too happy with this. Go. Hit it, boy! We just made a hole in our boat. Welcome to yard. Day... What is it? Day 9?
Yeah.
Just making some lunch here. And Stu's on the floor.
Is he chasing cables?
Trying to install this bad girl. How's the worker going?
It's going pretty good. What a lot of you guys don't actually know about me is that I'm actually a surgeon, and I got my lights on before I go into surgery this afternoon. Got a very important patient. The 3M actually stands for 3 more surgeries today. Sandwich is great.
What are you gonna do?
I am going to the chandlery. I'm going to buy a through hole, skin fitting, and a seacock and an elbow. And then at least when I'm holding it physically in my hand, then I'm going to drill the hole in the hull for the washing machine.
We love drilling holes. It's gonna go behind there. So how are you gonna...
This is going to go, this part here is going to go through the hull, and then this part goes on the inside, and this doesn't really go in there, but this is the right diameter. But we're going to have to put it through an anti-siphon and then down into this.
We're eating in squalor.
How's it?
You can't even sit properly because there's like bilge engine gasket behind
All
him.
exhaust gaskets.
Oh yeah, bon appétit, Stu. Don't dip the toasty in the wrong bucky.
Oh, I'm made of 3/4 oil now anyway, so it's chill.
Look. Washing machine. Whole drilling time. Stu's plan is to take the washing machine out, put it there, and then have a look. We kind of figured out where the water line is because we want to drill a hole above the water line.
I put it on my leg. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Wait, go up. Wait.
Are you good?
Yeah?
Cool. And down. Okay, you can't be on that side anymore. Oh. You need to be on this side. That's the load bearing, and if you triple buckle, then the whole thing falls.
Fruit, that thing almost came down like 7 times.
Yeah, I saw that.
So what's the plan?
Here we go. So you normally put it into a pipe, but we're going to put a proper anti-siphon in there because it's open to the outside, and then go down to the seacock. So we need to drill a hole, likely over here somewhere. Yeah, 37 is where the other through holes are. Water line's about there. So if we put, if I put all of my calculations together, and I say we drill there. You ready?
I don't know. I'm getting the sweats.
Listen, don't accuse me of stressing, and I'm getting secondhand stress from you. It's like smothering me. I'm suffocating. There's no oxygen in this room.
Okay. Where are we gonna end up? I think I see it. Holy shit.
How far up is it? No, I mean, how far above the straps is it?
Like 10 centimeters.
What, really? That little?
10 centimeters above the 2 stripes, but above the waterline that's like 25 or something.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Copy that. I'm assuming that's a Dan Campbell 25, which is
For your information, I actually used my hand, mon emprunt, which is the size between my thumb and my pinky, and that's 20 centimeters because I've measured it before, and it's above that. So take that up your pipe and smoke it.
Okay, I mean, that's fantastic. I'm curious to see your calibration certificate, but we can investigate that at a further stage.
Copy. Go. Hit it, boy. Goodness. I can see it. Ah!
The radio sounded like he just died. It sounded like...
Wait. Oh no, don't move. Don't move. You're stuck. No.
What?
Yeah, no, you go, I guess. It's a cylindrical hole. Hi.
Hi, Joyce.
Well, yeah. We just made a hole in our boat.
What's up?
So I guess this is it. The hole has been, well, semi-plugged. Nice.
Any actual sailors who are watching this are probably laughing at us thinking this is such a big deal because they've probably done it 1,000 times before and it's not a big deal. And also they're probably spotting about 7,000 things we could have done better or differently. So I guess we'll hear about it in the comments.
A slow morning for once instead of morning. We thought to go for a little walk this morning instead of just starting with grinding at 8 a.m. Cheers. Coffee on the beach. It's pretty solid. So much mosquitoes.
So many mosquitoes.
It's the beginning of the season.
I'm gonna come back like a prune, like.
I can hear them everywhere.
They're falling around your head.
Talk about a romantic morning getaway to get away from the yard. We're just escaping mosquitoes.
It's unreal.
They're actually like, one of them just landed on my nose. Am I bleeding on my nose?
No, you're not bleeding on your nose.
Well, that would be someone else's blood. The following days started all blurring into one. We tackled a lot of the issues that we had spotted the previous week. We fixed the prop shaft wobble with some new bushings, had our exhaust water separator re-welded.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're
Solid.
happy?
Yeah.
Nice. One more.
Nice.
And tried our luck at some hull polishing, which ended abruptly after a complete lack of preparation. Okay, so I started like 12 seconds ago and my pad has already fallen off like 3 times. Or maybe a vicious underestimation of the time this would all take. So yesterday I've done a bit of a BooBoo. Well, it all started quite well. I took it upon myself to clean up the lazarette where we keep all the dinghy stuff. So we've got the petrol, we've got the pump, we've got a little dinghy anchor, we've got a bunch of stuff, which looks very neat now. So it's, yeah. Yesterday I stored the petrol container at a bit of an angle, and obviously there's a vent on that thing, which then leaked a bunch of petrol. So in and of itself, that's not too bad, but what it leaked on is the actual issue. It leaked through that hole over there, and that hole leaked there, all the way down to the antifouling that's on our rudder. So this is the fiberglass we redid the other day. And this is now, oh, this is very tacky and gummy. So yeah, I definitely that. I've just added us an extra day worth of work. Stu isn't too happy with this. I'm gonna try and fix my mistake. So what's your prognosis, doctor?
Firstly, this is our anchor chain pipe. This thing, obviously, as you can see, is rusted completely. This is where the chain comes over the windlass down into the anchor locker. So this thing gets a lot of seawater, which you can see over here is rusted from the outside, from the inside out. So this needs to go. Okay. We found this piece of PVC. This piece of PVC, I wanted to glass around because this is kind of strong enough, but with glass around it, it's going to be significantly stronger. And it doesn't corrode, so I'm going to have to somehow go back until I get good fiberglass and then build a bottom, build a top, and then wrap around. That's my plan in all the extra time that we have while we're on the hod. I literally don't even need to grind. It is all just crumbling out. Look at this. It is just crumbling apart. It looks like an old cartoon, like someone put a TNT into an old cartoon cannon.
You're gonna grind?
Yeah. That place.
Uncle Matt, eye protection.
Ooh. Is it catching fire?
No, it's just burning steel. That's just grinding.
Okay.
Thick gloves would probably be best here, but
I can get you some.
no, it's done. Okay, I just need to cut that last piece.
You're gonna get rabies, man.
Hold me back! I have no hair on my legs.
Talk about doing that the day before we're going in the water.
I'm wearing eye protection. I'm not wearing ear protection. When you're in that locker and it's all going around you, I'm definitely gonna hear my ears ringing a bit.
What?
What? What you saying?
Oh my goodness! Look at this.
Ah!
Like an exploded cartoon.
Yeah.
Fire in the hole!
Just checking. Is there anyone below me? Anyone below me? Hello, hello, hello.
This is the grinding result. We've got one cake tin and one little bag. Oh, that's one big thing to finish strong on. Every time we have like a really big day like this, I think we do this for a reason, and the season is gonna start soon. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to being able to sit anywhere without having to move something first. Like, oh, it's such a mess. Track that thing pronto, bro. Let's have a look at the keel. Whoa. Looks like the Atlantis down there.
Cable there.
Are you sure it's high enough? think I need another hammer. Let me see if we can see either. Now this is the power tool we needed.
There you go.
Nice. This is cool.
You look like a midnight bandit.
Like a what?
Like a midnight bandit.
I look like a badass.
Clipping Ronnie's toenails.
Yes, that's it, Sammy. It stinks. Ça pue, messire.
How are you, my cuz?
Good.
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, I'm so happy we don't have to do the maneuver right now. We just park it and sleep.
Yeah.
Wow.
The wind's a bit. They're gonna put us down, and we can stay on the slip until the wind dies down.
I'm so happy! Our yard time is done. Oh, and we can do dishes.
Yeah. Professionals.
Y ahora, cerveza. We're in the water, bro.
I'll tell you one thing. As tough as this time has been, we've had a lot of fun. The two of us have been laughing very lekker, very nicely. It's been hard, but we're quite good at adapting.
For sure.